So we bought a 3-pack of them, which is really 3 individual ones shipped in one box. But we're going to try to install them different parts of the house and see if they interconnect like it says on the website. So in the box you got the instruction manuals galore, a mounting bracket with some screws and some sinkers if you need them, the actual unit itself, and a couple batteries, which was nice. They threw those in as well. Okay, so we got all three unboxed. Battery doors are open, and it actually says to, before you mount them, kind of turn them on each next to each other to get them to pair, and then to tell it what room it is. Here's the instructions. Hopefully that's legible, but each unit comes with its own instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and put the battery in. Oh, and one more thing, if you are mounting it onto the wall, you need a Phillips head to do the mounting. That's what type the screws are. So we got 2 batteries in the first unit, and we're going to close the door. And note, if you've got pets or people who don't like loud noises, or maybe kids or babies, might be a good idea to do this when they're not around or in part of the house that they can't hear, because I just tested it before I filmed this and it is really loud. Alright, so put this together.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Okay, so I think I gotta open and close it again to get that prompt to come back here. So let me just try that. We'll try it again.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location is heard. Basement. Child's bedroom. Dining room. Family room. Family room. Location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Slightly different on the second one. It says to put the batteries in, but do not close the door right away. So let's do that. So on the second one, it says press and hold the test button and then close the battery door. And it should blank green, indicating wireless interconnect is ready. And then press and hold the test button on the first alarm until the second alarm chirps. Okay? So we first hit the test button down, then we close the door. Okay, I see it now. It's blinking. Alright, when the green power is blinking, it's awaiting data from the other one, so press and hold the test button on the first alarm till the second one beeps.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location is heard. Basement. Child's bedroom. Dining room. Family room. Guest bedroom. Hallway. Hallway. Location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit.
Theoretically, we got 1 and 2. Now we got 1 and 2 paired, so we're going to try the third one. So the instructions again were press and hold the test button and then close the battery door. When the green light blinks, then press and hold the test button on the first alarm.
Welcome. First alert, carbon monoxide and smoke alarm. No location programmed. To select location, press and hold test button now. To save location, press and hold test button after location is heard. Basement. Basement. Location saved. Press and hold test button to test unit. Testing. Testing. Warning. Evacuate. Smoke in basement. Evacuate.
once you got it kind of where you want it, and you just take the unit here and try to get it to screw on the back. There we go. There it goes. Turn till it clicks, and there you go. That is mounted. One down. All right, now we'll do install number 2 in the hallway. There it goes. That feels like it's in the basement. All right, so let's get this in there. Get it threaded. Make sure it's on there good. All right, it's on. So that's all 3. So yeah, there's a lot to like here. It's a voice alarm that speaks. It measures both smoke and carbon monoxide. Wirelessly interconnects, telling you which room, if you configure it properly, it tells you which room is sounding the alarm, so you don't have to guess. Easy to install, come with a good warranty, and it has, really nothing to dislike as far as I can tell. I'm really happy with it. And in the end, it provides tremendous peace of mind.